you're an adult and you want to learn to swim, we're here to help. Whether you're feeling anxious, nervous, self-conscious, whatever it is, we want to help everyone learn to swim, no matter what your age. We're here to help you get comfortable, gain confidence, and feel comfortable in the water so that you can always have a fun swim workout. My name is Paige and I'm from Team MySwimPro, and today I'm going to walk you through some really helpful tips for how you can learn to swim as an adult and any type of pool. All right, let's go. Tip number 1, wear your swim cap correctly. So many new swimmers end up wearing their cap sideways. See this seam at the top of the cap? That should run from your forehead to your neck. An easier way to think about it is that if there's any sort of print or logo on your cap, it should be on the sides of your head, not on your forehead. Tip number 2, wear goggles. Goggles make swimming way more comfortable and enjoyable. It might take some experimenting to find the best pair for you, so try a few different brands to find a pair that fits your face well. The best swimming goggles are slim around your eyes and not too wide. They shouldn't cover your nose. Dark goggles are for outdoor swimming and lighter goggles are for indoor pools. Make sure the straps are tight and wear them high on your head to ensure they stay put when you push off the wall or dive in. Tip number 3 is walking through how to share a lane in a swimming pool. If you need to ask someone to share a lane with you when you get to the pool, wait for the person to stop and ask them if they are okay sharing the lane. It's typically frowned upon to just hop in a pool without asking or to stop them in the middle of a set. You can do 2 things. One is to suggest splitting the lane where you take one side and they take the other. Stick to your side the entire workout so you stay out of each other's way. If you have more than 2 people in a lane, the easiest thing to do is to circle swim. Circle swim means you swim in a circle in a counterclockwise direction. So you're always going to be swimming on the right side of the lane. After you do your turn, whether it's a flip turn or you push off the wall, head towards the right direction so you're always on the right side of the lane. Tip number 4, break up your swim into shorter sets instead of swimming continuously. A lot of new swimmers think they have to go to the pool and swim a mile without stopping. That's so not true. Most experienced swimmers break their workouts into sets for a few reasons. It's less boring than swimming continuously, and it allows them to focus on different things for different parts of the workout. Mix up distances, strokes, equipment, and effort, and your workout will fly right by. Plus, breaking it up can actually be more beneficial and make you faster. Of course, if you prefer to do your swim all in one go, go for it. Tip number 5 is to work on technique often. Technique is the name of the game in swimming. As a new swimmer, incorporating drills and technique work will help you swim faster and more efficiently. Drills include kicking, single arm stroke work, and more. You isolate a specific part of your stroke and work really hard on it. You will probably swim slower during drills, and that's okay. Spending extra time working on drills or focusing your whole workout on drills will help you in the long run. Drills are great as part of your warm-up or a preset. Check out the MySwimPro app for guided workouts that include drills and a huge library of technique videos that will help you fine-tune your technique. And lastly, tip number 6 is to set SMART goals. When you're new to swimming, sometimes just showing up to the pool is a big accomplishment. But if you have serious goals, it's best to get them down on paper. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. You're more likely to achieve your goal if you give yourself a timeline and a specific metric to hit. For example, I will swim 6 laps without stopping by January 1st. Or maybe your goal is to go to the pool 3 times a week for 3 months. Some other goal ideas could be to swim a faster 100 or 200 yard freestyle, or maybe it's to reduce your stroke count per lap, which means you swim more efficiently, or maybe you want to learn a new stroke. Explore the freestyle, butterfly, breaststroke, or backstroke. Or maybe you want to learn to do a flip turn or a dive. Whatever it is, write it down and stick to it. Success is not linear. It's a journey. It's a process. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the water. Have fun. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed these 6 tips for new swimmers. Leave a comment below and share with us what helps you to learn as a new swimmer. Happy swimming!